In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your personal information and login security on the Fresha platform. It's an effortless process, and with just a few steps, you'll ensure that your details are up to date and secure. Let's start by heading over to your Fresha dashboard, which is your control center on this platform. Once you're on the main page, move your gaze to the top right corner. You'll notice an icon there, which could be your photo if you've uploaded one, or it might simply display your initials. Go ahead and click on that. Once you've clicked the icon, you'll see a drop-down menu. From here, you'll need to select Personal Settings. This section is your gateway to accessing and modifying the array of personal and login information that you have linked to your account. Now that you've navigated to the Personal Settings page, you'll be landed at a place where you can edit your personal information and your login security. This section is quite important as it ensures that your contact details are accurate and your account remains secure. Next, you want to look for and select Personal Info. Clicking on this option will open up the section where you are given the flexibility to change essential details. Here, you can edit your legal name, and if you need to update your email address, this section allows you to input the new one. Perhaps you've changed your mobile number, or you just want to make sure your contact number is updated. This is where you can adjust that as well. Moreover, within this same section, there's also an option to modify your visibility. This feature is particularly significant as it determines how your profile appears to others. Adjusting your visibility settings can vary depending on whether you prefer to keep your information more private or if you want to make certain details more accessible. Simply make the changes that align with your preferences, and rest assured that your visibility is set just the way you want it. And there you have it. Updating your personal info and login security on Fresha is truly that straightforward. Always remember to hit save after making any changes to ensure that all your hard work isn't lost. Keeping your Fresha account settings up to date is a good way to ensure seamless communication and access to all features the platform offers. Thanks for joining me in today's walkthrough. By investing this small amount of time into managing your settings, you're actively ensuring that your online presence is both accurate and secure. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Happy managing, and I'll see you in the next session.